Want to remove a Bluetooth device from your Honda Accord? The process varies depending on the model year. For 2018-2025 Accords, use the central infotainment screen. Older models from 2013-2017 follow a similar path, but use physical buttons on the steering wheel or console to navigate the menus. Make sure the device is nearby for confirmation. This clears saved data like phone numbers and call logs, securing your vehicle's system and preventing unauthorized access. If you're having trouble deleting a device, ensure the ignition is on, your phone is discoverable, and Bluetooth is enabled on both devices. For older models, a hard reset by holding the power button may be required. Keep your software updated via the Honda Link app or dealership, as outdated software can cause deletion failures. Looking ahead, expect more frequent over-the-air updates to address Bluetooth vulnerabilities. Future Accords may integrate Bluetooth management into a mobile app, potentially eliminating manual deletion altogether. The trend is towards frictionless connectivity and voice-activated device management.